You've probably already heard of Vivrelle by now, and if you are like me, you've probably been very enticed by what they have to offer. I have a handbag unboxing from Vivrelle, so if that is something that you're interested in, keep watching. Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other. We can get better well acquainted. You're gonna end up loving it here, so smash that subscribe button. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. So like I said, I actually have another Vivrelle unboxing for you guys. This is month 3 for me. I actually do have another Vivrelle unboxing on my channel. If you are interested in watching it, I'll have it linked in the cards above. But yes, it's month 3, and you're probably wondering, well, if you've already filmed 1, how did we skip to month 3? I forgot to show you guys the handbag that I got last month. I got the Christian Dior saddlebag in the regular oblique print. I really forgot to film a video. I'm really sorry, but I'll insert a picture of me styling it. Boom. She's cute, right? But let's get into this month's unboxing. So this is the box it comes in. It comes in its own personalized box that says Vivrelle. Here on the box, they do have the instructions on how to swap out the handbag when it is time to do so. Oh, before we get into the unboxing, should I share with you guys what Vivrelle is in case those watching don't understand what Vivrelle is? Let's do that first. Now that I've already given you a little teaser as to what the handbag was, because I'm pretty sure you probably saw it in the box. So I'm going to make this very brief on what Vivrelle is and what they offer. So basically, Vivrelle is a subscription website where you are able to borrow handbags, and you can also borrow jewelry. It does depend on which tier you are on, and that determines like what you'll be eligible for in when it comes to borrowing. I believe that I am currently signed up with the Classique. That is $139 a month. And I'm able to borrow something from jewelry or a handbag up to $4,000. Now, they have different tiers that get a little bit more pricey as they progress, obviously. They do have a tier, I think that it's Couture. It's called the Couture tier, where you're eligible to borrow 2 items a month at the same time. But I'm Classique, so it's $139 a month, and I do get to borrow 1 handbag or accessory up to $4,000 monthly, 1 item. And if you use my code SimplyLiana50, you actually will get your first month free. Before it was 50% off, but for the holiday season, they are offering a free first month. So if you are going to sign up, I suggest signing up now. If you were something that you were like kind of on the fence about, it's time to bite the bullet and do it this month. And also, if you're anything like me, you like luxury handbags. Hello, that's probably why you're subscribed to my channel in the first place. But sometimes I don't want to spend my money on buying the handbag because, one, how do I know if I'm really going to like it? Like, am I just fantasizing about it because it's cute, or does it actually stand a chance in getting used while it's in my collection? And what I've been doing with Vivrelle is kind of experimenting with that. Like, all of the handbags that are on a wish list that I have that I think that I like, I've been trying to borrow them to see if I actually get use out of them. And this handbag that I'm actually going to show you turned out to be a fail for me, which I'm so surprised at. It is a complete fail. So now let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so you also get the Vivrelle dust bag. It is just their logo. It was packaged all pretty, but obviously it's been a few days. Well, it's been a few weeks, so I've been using the bag. And you also get this pink cute tissue paper. If you can see by now, I did get the Fendigraphy, the Nano size. And I thought that I would love this handbag. Let me put the box down. I thought that I would really love this handbag. I have wanted this bag for so long. I love the spelling of the Fendi right there. I like that it's almost not even a handbag. It's more of an accessory piece. Like, I like the thought of wearing it kind of on my wrist, like a little bracelet trinket. I mean, it actually looks good with, it's appearing to look good on camera with how what I'm styled with now. Even though I have on silver jewelry, I don't know, the mixed tones, I'm kind of living for it right now. But it also... There's so many qualms that I have against this. It may be the color that I did choose. Maybe if I have it in a neutral color, I would have gotten more wear out of it this month. It's looking real cute on camera, and don't get me wrong, the bag is super cute. I just have not pulled for it. So maybe it's a handbag that I just need to admire from afar, because it does not work into my life, honestly. I've tried to wear it casually with some gray sweatpants and a white tee. I wasn't feeling it because it almost looked a little bit too dressed up. But then when I'm trying to grab for it while I was dressed up, I had to put so much effort into, number one, styling an outfit around this handbag because it almost gives dainty. I don't usually dress like that. But then when I'm going for a prim and proper, I want a clutch, not really this. So it's almost an in-between bag that I don't think works for me. Like, I don't know, but she's so cute. I hope that the camera is translating the color really well. It's almost like a gray but teal color. It's very hard to describe, and then it does have the gold hardware. I think that the regular Nanos, if you were to buy it in store, comes with a crossbody strap or at least a gold shoulder strap. This one did not, but I mean, I never planned to wear it that way anyway. I only wanted to wear it kind of like as a wristlet kind of thing. And obviously to get into the bag, you do it that way. It has a little zip here. And this is all the space that you get. This bag also only holds nothing but your hopes and dreams. I have smaller handbags that hold more than this. Yeah. This does not, it barely fits my card holder. Like, you have to put it in there a certain way for it to really hold my card holder. And then my car keys on top of it. It's really, really small. And this is a handbag that I guess it's date night approved. I will say that it's a date night approved handbag that I guess your husband or your man, whoever you're with, will be holding everything for you as far as the car key, pretty much the wallet. This is a cute handbag where you're going to have to bring a lip gloss, and that's it. So I'm not going to say Vivrelle is a fail, because without Vivrelle, I would not be able to determine if this handbag was for me or not. That's why I'm so grateful that I'm able to borrow the handbag, see if it works for me, and I can give it back at the end of the month. It really cost me anything, you know? As far as what if I would have went in store and bought this? I think this retails almost like $1,200 now, and I would have lost out on my money. So that's why Vivrelle comes in handy, okay? But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Should I redo this again in another month, just with a different color? Do you think it's the color as to why I haven't gotten much use as it? Or if you have the Fendigraphy, do you find yourself also not wearing it? Like, was it cute in theory, but you also don't wear it? Because the girlies look so cute when they're wearing it, so maybe it's just me. I don't know. Or maybe I'm putting too much pressure on the handbag, because the other two handbags that I borrowed from Vivrelle, I actually got photos in them. I got, the first month was another Fendi bag. I don't know if I've been on a Fendi kick recently, but I got the Fendi First clutch. I'll insert a picture of me here with the outfit paired, and it was cute. I actually pulled for that bag more than I thought that I would, and it was in a bold, vivacious color as well. And that one is a clutch, and I've pulled for that so much more than I pulled for this. I pulled for that just to wear it with sweatpants, leggings, going out. Like, I've pulled for that clutch a lot. And then even with the saddlebag, I mean, I knew that I was going to pull for the saddlebag. The saddlebag is like a no-brainer. It goes with pretty much everything. I pulled for that saddlebag every day of the month. My husband was like, girl, give it a rest before you mess up the handbag and then you have to ship back a damaged handbag. But with this one, it's hard. I don't know what it is about this bag. I have not had any urgency to really pair this. I don't know. Is it the color? Is it the style? Is it just not me? Please leave your thoughts down in the comments below. But apart from the bag, back to Vivrelle. Like I said, if you use my code SimplyLiana50, you'll get your first month free this month. So I think it is something that you guys should check out. Borrow a handbag before you bite the bullet. This is one thing. This is probably the really for only time I'm going to tell you guys. Please try it before you buy it, because you don't want to end up like this. And I mean, hey, I'm going to go return this as well to Vivrelle. So yeah, this video is probably very all over the place because it is also very impromptu. I did not have plans on filming this video, but I was just like, you know, I want to be honest with you guys about when something doesn't work for me. So here we are. I hope you enjoyed my honesty. I don't really have much else to say regarding this handbag. She's cute. She's really, really cute. She's just not, she doesn't fit my lifestyle, I guess is really the words that I should say. I'm going to have the first Vivrelle unboxing linked up in the cards again here. Check that one out because I feel like I was a little bit more thorough in explaining exactly all of the tiers of Vivrelle and really going into depth at how they work. This one, I'm a little frustrated. Maybe that's why this video is coming off this way. But if you did enjoy today's video and hearing me distressed about this handbag, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not tired of seeing my face, I'm going to leave a link to another video here on the screen. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.